Hello friends, look, this is a concept three-wheeler vehicle made by my son Harshvardhan. I will explain you one by one parts of this vehicle. See, this is a tire, this is a balancer, this is the spare battery, this is a battery in use, this is a rear wheel, and this is a motor attached one switch at the right side of this vehicle. This is a very simple concept which is actually used in the actual three wheelers. Then I will show you a practical. This is the top portion of the three wheeler. This is the switch.